Hey everyone, Rodney here from Eurobike Wholesale. Late last year we learned about a new golden edition version of the very popular X803RS helmet from X-Lite. Because of COVID, obviously we couldn't travel overseas to see the new version, the samples. We just had to order them and get them here. They look amazing in the catalogue, but we never knew what they actually look like in the flesh. The reviews sound great and they look good online, so we're going to open a box up and see what they look like. They just arrived last week. X803 has been a really popular helmet for us. It's X-Lite's top of the range race helmet. Lightweight, no frills, no internal visor, no intercom systems, just a pure race helmet. This is how the RS comes packaged. Well, that's really cool. It's got a nice frame at the top to help support the helmet. There's the visor. That's the gold one that comes in the box. Look, there's a pin lock there. We've got the extra bits at the back, so the RS comes with an aerodynamic spoiler at the back, but you can take that off and make it just an ordinary plain helmet without the spoiler if you wish. The spoiler is really for high speeds up over 200 kilometers per hour for stabilizing the helmet. It also looks pretty cool too. So this is a gold edition helmet, first time we've seen it. Wow, look at that. Comes in its own nice bag, which all X-Lite helmets do. Look at that, that looks really cool. Let's swap the visor over and see what it looks like with the gold visor fitted. Wow, here it is in the flesh. Check that out. Doesn't that look cool? Gold edition X803RS. These are going to be landing in dealers this week. Selected dealers around the country have them pre-ordered. Limited numbers, so if you want one, get in quick while they last. Don't they look great? Check it out.